Hello, myself Vishal Bhadage, studying in first year BArch at Idea College of Architecture. Here are my assignments for first year second sem of architectural design. We started our architectural design process through brief decoding. What is dwelling? Dwelling is different from a house. It is the place used for housing. It can be residence, flat, bungalow, or hut, anything. Basically, it's the place where we live. Our second assignment was understanding user. Un- Understanding user is the first and important step for designing. Understanding user helps to design a good quality work for the user or customer. Here's a statement that said by known author and entrepreneur Seth Godin that don't find customers for your product, find product for your customers. After understanding importance of user, we move forward towards the anthropometry, which means the measurement of the human figure individually. Anthropometry is the study of human measurement, which changes occur due to the climate variation. It is important because by knowing the human size, we can design according to the human comfort. Then the next step is to select the user and understand the selected user. The user which were given us was an artist in which first is painter, second is sculptor and third is composer. A painter is an artist who creates art using paint. He works with different types of paint, that is watercolor or oil paints. A sculptor is an artist who makes the 2D and 3D model made with different materials like wood, marble, plaster, etc. And a composer is the artist who makes or writes the music. The user I select is sculptor. His name is Rahul. He is very nature friendly person and he is also very passionate toward his art. He loves to make the 3D sculptures of different materials like wood, clay, marble, etc. He has a big collection of monuments made by him. Apart from this, he also has interest in reading and writing books. The next assignment is understanding the spaces. For understanding the spaces easily, I have listed some images of spaces according to the user sculptor. These are some areas and these are some spaces. Then we understand spaces more easily with the help of bubble diagram. The sizes of bubble is according to the time which user going to spend in that particular space or area. Here are two compositions. In these compositions, the size of bubbles are same, but the spaces are arranged in different ways. Our next assignment was to make cube composition. We arranged the cubes of considering each cube as a space according to their scale, and I made this composition and tried to draft a plan according to this composition. The next step was site analysis. The site given us was the backwater near Gangapur Dam in Nasik. It is a perfect site for my user as he loves the nature. Site is next to Godavari River and is 10 km from Nasik. It is a peaceful place with not much traffic and a good place for picnic or to enjoy the beautiful scenes. Site is facing to the north and it is along to the Gangapur road. The average annual temperature here is 24 degrees Celsius. After understanding all the aspects, I came to the resolved plan. The plan has two levels. The first level is 0.6 meter down from the ground level and other level is 2.4 meter above the ground level. Entry to the site is from north direction while the planned entry is from east. There is semi-open space in the entry where there are stairs. On first level, there is public space and private space. That is, there is exhibition which is a public space. So there is an entry and exit to the exhibition outside of the studio. After studio, there is private space. That is pantry, bed, and living room on the second level. Studio is having a double height and have a spiral stairs which connects the two levels. Studio has large window on two sides for ventilation. On first level, we have exhibition, studio and pantry, and that on other level we have bed, a balcony attached to it, then the WCN bath and reading room and a small balcony attached to it. There is a sloping roof in my plan which is of RCC. There are two roofs of different sizes. One roof is covering studio while other roof is covering the rest of the plan. This is the rendered image. I have rendered it using the GIMP software and following are some images of 3D model in SketchUp. At last, this is the inference of the studio. Overall process of working in studio was interesting. This process helped us to improve our plan. We got to know the process by which at the end of 20 modules we got a result plan and 3Ds. Thank you.